A little flathead screwdriver here. I think this is actually a 1/4 flathead screwdriver. We'll pull. It's time to remove this right here. 2 years ago, I was just making this complicated bracketry, you know, way too complicated for what it is. But I will give myself credit that this did stand the test of time, and it never broke or gave me any trouble at all. And for just using, like, I don't know, this is some real thin tin that, you know, I found in the garbage. And, you know, I made it into a horn bracket. So it shows, you know, you can make anything. It's pretty cool. Oh my God, what is going on here? I think I actually even threaded these things in here. It's been a long time since I even thought about these horns or even watched that video that I have. So I'm kind of interested to see how I did things back in the day. You know, see if I can remember. And I don't even know what this is. This is like the most jank grounding setup of all time. There's a bolt with a washer on it on this tin. See if I can kind of pull this wiring out a little bit. This is the old system. As you guys can see, this is the old bracketry. 2 Supertone Hella horns. And again, see how thin that metal is. That's what made this bracket so flimsy. See that? I can kind of bend it all sorts of directions. But it served its purpose. You know, these things worked. The horns always worked. I am seeing some decay, like some rust through here. You guys can see that? So that's not good. Maybe I can get in there and paint that. Just the wiring harness. That's thread lock. I thread locked these. My goodness. Oh my God. Past Chris was a freaking train wreck, dude. Alright. That's why we're here today. But I will say, you know, kind of, you know, the function of this bracket was kind of cool. Like I bent up. Take off the zip tie so I can show you. I made these little brackets bend in a little bit, so when the horns rested on them, they wouldn't droop down. They would stay at that height all the time. I don't know what to do with this. I think somebody actually commented on one of my videos asking for this, so I might try to just send it to that guy. But if anybody wants this, you know, it's a pretty simple setup. You just use the same brackets the horns come with, and you just put this right there in the Jeep. It bolts right in. So, let me know. Otherwise, this will go into the trash or into the archives. Let's put it over here for now. Honestly, this thing is just so big, dude. Maybe I could put it right there. But I mean, this is blocking it. I don't know if that would work. I could just put it, hide it in there. How would I? Guess I can put a bolt right through here. I could, oh yeah, that could work. Up there. Figure out where to put the wiring. Probably put the wiring way back in here. Way back into here. And then this horn will go right here. I'll just drill that hole through right up there, and this will just sit. See if I can. It'll sit just like that. Okay, we're all hooked up. Let's test it out.